everybody. Welcome to True Telos Trading. It is very early. It is 5:37 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm up this early because, like everyone, I have to go to work here pretty soon. As a matter of fact, I have to go to work here pretty early, so I got my day started really early. There was a stock that popped up that met my criteria as an A quality stock this morning, so I did get one trade in this morning. Let's go ahead and look at that trade of this morning. So the stock that we traded this morning, the ticker was GTI. Today's date is 7/28/25, early Monday morning. The stock did have news, fresh news, breaking news today, so this will get a 3. The stock's float, or the shares available to trade, was below 10 million. This would be a 2. The stock wasn't trading above the 200 moving average. I really hope that it was, but when I looked at it on a daily, it was not, so this would be a 0. The price was up, I do believe, close to 60 to 70% at the time that I was trading, so this will be a 1. It was a penny stock. It was below $1. As a matter of fact, I think when I purchased the stock, it was about 14 cents. So this was a 1. And it was the number 3 stock this morning when I was trading it. So this will be a +1. So adding all of these up, that gives us a score of 8. If I scroll down a little bit more, you can see right here, 8 to 10 points is an excellent or an A quality trade. So this stock, GTI, was an A quality stock, so I began to look on trades for it. Let's go ahead and look at the trade that I made on this stock today. So this is our stock, GTI. As you can see, the price of the stock is pretty low. It's below $1. I always get a little bit anxious when I'm buying stocks this low because I'm buying so many shares at a certain price. You can't buy a small amount of shares of a penny stock and expect to do well on it. So when buying stocks that are below $1, you do have to buy a considerable amount of shares. But because buying so many shares of this stock makes me anxious, I never purchase with full buying power like I would on a normal stock that would be above $1 or $2. So let's get into the trade that I made on this stock. It made this initial move right here, which is what caught my attention, which is what made it the number 3 stock on the day. This move all the way from 10 cent all the way up here to close to 15 cent. I did not trade this move. This is when it popped up, and I started filling out my True Telos trading grading scale. When it became that 8, the A quality trade. Let's go ahead and see the trade that I made on it. So I entered at 5:23 a.m. at 14.30. So about 5:23, 14.30. So I entered about right here, and I was expecting this price to raise up through the high of day, but I do believe, where did I sell this at? 14.82. So 14.82. I didn't hold it for more than 2 to 3 minutes. It was this resistance up here at this level. I was expecting this level to break and this high of day to be broken. So I was expecting to get higher over this candlestick right here, but I kept having that resistance at close to this 15 mark. When I sold at 14.82. So I sold at 14.82 at approximately 5:26. So that's back here on this candle. So I sold pretty quickly when I saw that resistance. That's my exit indicator. If I see that resistance at that certain level, I'll go ahead and exit the stock, especially if I'm in profit. For this trade, I made $23.36. That is the trade of the day, and that is True Telos Trading. Again, so we are up really, really early. I'm up this early because, like everyone else, I work a regular 9 to 5. So I have to leave a little bit early to go travel 2 hours to go to work. So I like to, be conscious with the time that I have. So I woke up a little bit early to see if I could start the day a little bit early, and I'm glad that I did. I'm up another $23.36. And so it's a green day. It's another positive day. I hope to keep these going. Let me know if you like this content. Let me know if you have any questions. I am an open book when it comes to everything, and I hope you can answer some of my questions as well. And again, welcome to the journey for True Telos Trading, and I hope to see you again.